So let's start with the very first question which we have over here. Now the first question is, they ask that you need to write next three natural numbers after 1 lakh. Okay, 1,09,000. Okay, that's 10,999. So 10,999. Next natural number, that means we are adding 1. So if we add 1, we get 11,000. So this is your first number. Then 11,000 may will be adding 1, which is 11,001. Then 11,000 may will be 11,001 may will be adding 1. So we get 11,002. So three natural numbers after 10,999 is 11,000, 11,001 and 11,002. Now write three whole numbers occurring just before यानी कि पहले. So since they didn't use predecessor word, but they want us to do that only. 10,001 से पहले कौन से numbers आते हैं? Three whole numbers. So we'll be subtracting 1 from them. So 10,001 से पहले 1 subtract करेंगे तो 10,000 आ जाएगा. That was the simple one. अब 10,000 में से we'll subtract 1. तो क्या आ जाएगा? 9,999. So if we do it here, ये 9 आ जाएगा, 10 है, ये भी 9, ये भी 9 और ये 10. So ultimately we'll get 9,999. अब 9,999 में फिर से हम 1 subtract करेंगे तो 9,998. So 10,000, 9,999 and 9,998 are three whole numbers occurring just before. बिल्कुल पहले 10,001 से ये तीन numbers आएंगे. Now the next question is smallest whole number. हमने discuss किया है ये. So I hope everyone who would be watching this video can give the answer. सबसे छोटा whole number 0 है. Though we cannot find greatest whole number or natural number, but we can find smallest whole number and natural number as well. Now, how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? We have two options. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. करने के बाद भी we'll get the same answer. But what if they ask how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 296? तो we cannot count ना. Count करने बैठ गए तो बस हमारा टाइम यही चला जाएगा. So क्वेश्चंस के लिए हर एक के लिए ट्रिक होती है जो हम यूज करते हैं. वो क्या ट्रिक है? जब भी हमें होल नंबर्स फाइंड करने हो तो बड़े में से छोटे को माइनस कर 1 और माइनस कर देना है. दैट मीन्स 53 माइनस 32 माइनस 1. 53 में से पहले 32 माइनस करेंगे, we get 21. अब 1 फिर से माइनस करेंगे, we will get 20. So we get 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. अब अगर 32 and 269 जो बोला था वो करना है, so क्या करेंगे? 269 में से 32 माइनस करेंगे और फिर 1 और माइनस कर देंगे. क्यों 1 माइनस कर रहे हैं? कि जब हम 32, 33, 34 करेंगे so will not include 32 in it but 53 included होगा. So जो हम 32 ऐड आकर आ जाएगा उसको -1 करने पे वो 32 हट जाएगा. So अब अगर we'll do the same thing over here, 237 में फिर से 1 subtract किया तो आ जाएगा 236. अगर आप ऐसे काउंट करने बैठ जाएंगे ना तो हमारा तो पूरा एग्जामिनेशन टाइम ही यहीं पे निकल जाएगा. Okay, so make sure that we have tricks for so many questions. I'll be going here with all the tricks which we can do it, and I hope you'll be able to understand all the questions which we'll be doing over here. Now the next one is we need to write the successor. Successor यानी एक आगे, success आगे बढ़ना ना. So we'll be adding 1 to it. If I'll add 1 to it, what do we get? 2440702. बस ये दोनों 2 आएंगे, बाकी exactly same रहेगा, right? So this plus 1, that means successor of this is this plus 1, which is this number. So the next one is successor of 1,199 is adding 1 to it. That means, so अब चेक करें हम 9 plus 1 10 10 2. So 1,200,000 is the successor of 1,199. Now 10,99,999. इसका successor क्या होगा? That means we are adding 1 to it. So 10, then 10, then 10, then 10, then 1. So 11 lakh is the successor of 10,99,999. Moving on to D part. Again, we'll be adding 1. 0 plus 1, 1 रहेगा. बाकी सब as it is same आएगा. So successor of 23,45,670 is 23,45,671. I hope we are clear with successor. Now let's move on to the next question. Now we need to find predecessor, यानी कि इस number से एक number पहले. So we'll be subtracting 1 from each number now. So what do we write? Predecessor of 94 is 94 से पहले क्या आता है? 93. So we'll be subtracting 1 from 94. So again we'll be writing predecessor of 10,000 is 9,999. So we've subtracted it. So this will be 9, this will be 9, this will be 9, 10 minus 1, 9. So we'll get 9,999 as the predecessor of 10,000. Now 2,08,090. Predecessor of 2,08,090 is, we'll take it 1 from here. 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 8. So 2,08,089 is the predecessor of 2,08,090. Now 76,54,321. If we subtract 1, we get 76,54,320 if we subtract 1 from the number. So this is how we find predecessor and successor.
Now subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.
Let's move on to the next question. In each of the following pairs, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. Also write them with appropriate sign between them. अब जो छोटा होगा वो लेफ्ट में होगा, राइट? So let's see 530 and 503. तो कैसे हम चेक करते हैं? Hundreds place तो सेम है, so we do not have to do anything. Tens place अगर चेक करें तो एक 0 है, एक 3 है. अब 0 बड़ा आता है या 3? 3 बड़ा है, right? So this number is greater than 503. So 530 is greater than 503. तो छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 503. So 503 appeared on left side of 530 on the number line. Right? We'll do the same thing. We have 3 over here. 10's place में 0 and 7 add. Anyways, 7 is greater than 0. So 307 appear on left side of 370 on the number line. Now if we check out 10,000's place, we have 9 and 5 over here. So 9 is greater. So this would be the number which is greater. So therefore 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it appeared on left side of 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Now moving on to that, we'll check out the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over here we have 7 digits. Over here we have 8 digits. So we have discussed that in first chapter कि अगर digits ज़्यादा हैं, so anyhow वो number बड़ा होगा. So पहले check करो कि digits कितनी है. अगर digits same है, तो extreme left वाला number check करो. अगर उससे पता चल रहा है कौन सा बड़ा है, so you can use that. अगर उससे नहीं पता चल रहा तो extreme left से जो next number है उसको check करो. अगर वो भी same है तो उसके next number, and you'll move on to that ways to find the greater number. So 9830415 appear on left side of on number line. I hope we are clear with this. Let's move on to the last question of this exercise. Which of the statements are true or false? So you need to check that. 0 is the smallest natural number. Is it true or false? False. Why? They are talking about natural number and 1 is the smallest natural number which we have. अगर यहाँ पे natural की जगह whole होता तो yes 0 is the smallest whole number, but क्योंकि ये natural number लिखा है इसलिए ये false है. 400 is the predecessor of 399, यानी कि 399 से पहले 400 आता है. ये भी false है क्योंकि 399 के बाद 400 आता है. तो या तो यहाँ पे प्रेडिसेसर की जगह सक्सेसर लिखा होता तो सही होता, मगर क्योंकि प्रेडिसेसर लिखा है तो 399 का प्रेडिसेसर तो 398 होता है, 400 नहीं होता. तो यहाँ पर भी फॉल्स आएगा. नाउ 0 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट होल नंबर. ये ट्रू है बिकॉज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन ए पार्ट कि अगर ये होल नंबर होता तो ये ट्रू होता. अब 600 सक्सेसर है 599 का. यस ये भी ट्रू है. जैसे 399 का 400 सक्सेसर है, ऐसे 599 का 600 सक्सेसर है. ऑल नेचुरल नंबर्स आर होल नंबर्स. यस डिस्कस किया था हमने कि सारे नेचुरल नंबर्स होल नंबर्स होंगे, बट सारे होल नंबर्स नेचुरल नंबर्स नहीं होंगे. राइट. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट ओनली. ऑल होल नंबर्स आर नेचुरल नंबर्स, विच इज false, and we discussed it how. Now the predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single digit number. यानी कि 2-digit number से पहले कभी भी single digit number predecessor नहीं हो सकता. लग तो true ही रहा है कि अगर आप 34 ले लें तो 33 आएगा 2-digit number, 12 ले लें तो 11 आएगा. What if I take 10? 10 is a 2-digit number. उसका predecessor क्या होगा? 9. Is it a single digit number? Yes. So कि predecessor 2-digit number का कभी भी single digit नहीं हो सकता. This is false. क्योंकि we have seen one example that 10 का predecessor 9 है, which is single digit number. 1 is the smallest whole number. I hope you all know the answer. ये false है. Smallest whole number is 0. अब natural number 1 का कोई predecessor नहीं होता. True. Right? Whole number 1 का कोई predecessor नहीं होता. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे false. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे I can see कि 1 whole number में से 1 0 is the number which is its predecessor. Natural number कोई predecessor नहीं होता 1 का, मगर whole number predecessor होता है. The next one is होल नंबर 13 lies between 11 and 12. 11 and 12 के बीच में 13 आता है. I hope you all know the answer because 11 and 13 के 12 के बीच में कभी भी 13 नहीं आता. 12 के बाद 13 आता है. Now the last two parts. Whole number 0 has no predecessor. Of course, 0 से पहले हमारे पास कोई भी predecessor नहीं होगा as a whole number because whole number start ही 0 से होते हैं, right? Successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. यानी कि जो successor है वो 2-digit number का हमेशा 2-digit number होगा. जैसे predecessor 2-digit number का 1-digit हो सकता है, ऐसे ही अगर मैं 99 ले लूँ, 99 का successor क्या होगा? 100. Isn't a 3-digit number? Yes. तो जरूरी नहीं है कि वो हमेशा 2-digit number हो, वो 3-digit number भी हो सकता है. So the last would be false. The successor of a 2-digit number can be a 3-digit number and predecessor of a 2-digit number can be a single-digit number. So this is how we solve all these questions of this types to find predecessor, successor, 2-digit, 3-digit. We've discussed everything which we can do it over here. Now we'll be moving on to the next video. Till then, keep on practicing.
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.